Introducing for the first time, the all-new Sweep-All Power Rake. PTO-driven power rake with 108 steel tines. Comes in two different models. This one in front of us is the PRU 2040. This model fits on most walker mowers, the Exmark Navigator, as well as the Toro 8000. The other model is called a PRG 1048. That one is 48 inches wide and fits grasshopper mowers, series 600 through 900. Both options come with electric lift standard, controlled by our standard switch here that you see on lots of our other models. Lifts and lowers the tines. Has 360-degree caster wheels that make steering quick and easy. And that is the introduction to the all-new Sweep-All Power Rake. For more information, give us a call, 204-331-3082, and we'd be happy to help you out and get to a greener, stronger yard. And don't forget to like and subscribe.